Okay, Joe, 51 is what you got in the last paper one that I marked, so let's see how you get on today. It's not 8, it's 11. 3 11s are 33. So you lose a mark there, that's 6, you get that. That's correct. This one is £1.61, but £1.61 from 5 is £3.39, not £4.39. Even, certain, likely. Good. 3, 6, 12, 17 for the page. Good. 60, 30, 25. Good, good, good. Excellent. Frequency goals scored. Lovely. I think you've missed that bit of the question out. Perhaps you didn't read the information. Doesn't say what the highest number is. Good. 32. Perimeter is just centimeters. It's not centimeters squared. But it doesn't matter because it's not asking you to give the units, so we can ignore what you've written, and you've got the units right on that one. So little mistake there, but it doesn't cost you any marks. 5, 9 for the page. Right, 39 times 56. 5 9s are 45. 54, 15, 18. So you've correctly done that bit. That is 4. This is 18, which is correct. Then you've got to carry that over. What are we missing here? Yeah, there's the 1 carried over, which is there. So then you've got 4 and 5 is 9, 10, 11. That should be, so that one's wrong with you. And then that would be a 2. So that is incorrect. But it's just one little mistake that you've made there. When you're adding up the diagonals, you've left out, you haven't added in that 4. Square root of 144, what number times itself is 144? And the answer is 12. Three percent of 500, find 1% by dividing by 100. So 1% would be 500 divided by 500 divided by 100, which is 5. So 3% will be 15. That's 9. Well done. And those are well done. 2, 3, 5, 7 for the page. With this one, you're looking for what you're doing to the x coordinate to make the y. That's the same every time. And hopefully you can see it's adding 2. K plus 5. Well done. Right, this is a really common mistake that lots of you are making. It's not 12x cubed. We're not multiplying. We're just adding. It's just 5x and 3x is 8x. Add another 4x is 12x. And 7a take away 1a is 6a. That's good. And that's good as well. Well done. 9 for the page. 5 out of 20 is correct. We'll practice these. We did these back in the autumn, but we will do them again, and I'll explain how to do that. But if you take a look at my solution, hopefully you'll be able to work it out from there. You don't need to do a big complicated sum there, because basically what you're doing, 50 pence is half a pound, so 800 lots of half a pound would be £400. Okay, 114 and 15, there, correct, well done. 7 for the page. Take a look at my solution for that, hopefully it'll make sense to you. With this one, the centre of enlargement moves too, so in order to go from the point O to the start of our original shape, you've got to go across 2 and down 1. So for our enlargement, we've got to double that, so we've got to go across 4 and down 2, and then you enlarge from that point there. But your enlargement is correct, but it's in the wrong place, so you're going to lose a mark for where it is, but you're going to get the 2 marks for the enlargement. A is B, reflected is correct, but it isn't at 3, 2. When you're reflecting something, it's a line that's reflecting where the mirror line is, and that would be, in this case, you'd have the mirror on that point, on that line there, which is x equals 1. Your rotation is wrong, and we'll do some practice on those. They're easier if you use tracing paper. 15 and 100 are correct, but that's not right, because what's happening every time, for every black square, you're having 2 white squares, but you've always got the extra 2 on the end, so it's going to be 2n, 2 black squares, 2 times the number of black squares, add 2. So you're not going to get any marks for that. 1 for the page. Right, with this one, you only multiply by 7 what's inside the bracket. So it's only that that's multiplied by 7. That isn't. So you've made that mistake there. That's not right. And there's no maths there. That's quite a tricky question. Take a look at my solution, see if it makes sense. We've done Pythag. We did a bit of Pythag before, so it may come back to you. We'll certainly be doing it again before the exam. Right, so last time 51. I'm pretty confident you've beaten that. 17, 25, 34, 41, 50, 57, 59, 60. 60, that's much improved. That would be a close run C, but I'm saying 65 is for C, so that I'm saying is a D, but it's only 5 marks off a C. And if you go in there, you easily see where you could pick up those 5 marks. So that's really promising, Josephine. Well done.